when people come into Canada, for people with families, they want to get a car as soon as possible. Now, if you get a car, one of the important things that you need for that car is your car insurance. You know this. So you start shopping for car insurance. Let's say you've gotten this car. Now you want to insure the car. Depending on the province that you are and the circumstances around you, that will determine your car insurance fee or your premium for the month. In this video, I'll talk about the different provinces, what you need to look out for, and how you can reduce this. So subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss further videos. In this channel, I just talk about my challenges as an immigrant, the things that I faced when I came, and how you can also improve your chances of not facing this same thing or doing it better this time. Okay, without talking too much, we're talking about car insurance for here. If you're in provinces like Manitoba, which I am in, Saskatchewan, or British Columbia, you don't really have much options when it comes to getting an insurance outside the government ones, because your basic policy is covered by your government insurer. So for Manitoba, that will be your MPI. For Saskatchewan, that's your SGI, and for British Columbia, I think you guys call it ICBC. But for other provinces like Nova Scotia, Ontario, Alberta, you have so many private ones that you can shop and get a minimal price. When I say minimal, I mean like because there's competition, they can have you or they can give you something reduced based on your circumstance. Let's even talk about why immigrants pay more, because you'll notice that you as an immigrant, you pay more on car insurance than someone who's been in Canada for a long time or who was born in Canada. This is because their risk models for your car insurance is built on Canadian data, and if you're coming into Canada, you don't have insurance history, so you've not driven on Canadian roads, you don't have they don't have any data on you, and you are considered risky because you're clean slate. They don't know how you drive, they don't know what your history is like, so you tend to pay more when they find you to be risky. There are different things that contribute to the calculation of this. So your mileage, your age, where you live, how long you've been around for, if you've had any history with car accidents and all that. A lot goes into the premium that you're giving or the amount that you're giving for your car insurance payment. So there's a lot to consider, and as an immigrant, you have so many of these factors missing because you've not been in Canada before. To help you lower your fee, for some people, even Nigerians have been known to do this. You can get a letter, they call it experience letter, from your Nigerian car insurer and tell them to write that, oh, you've been, how good you've been. Some of these companies can accept it. Not everybody, not every province will accept this, but you can only try. So if you're still coming to Nigeria, or if you're still coming to Canada, or you still have link in Nigeria, you can reach out and ask them if you can get this experience letter. The second thing you can do to reduce your premium is to get your license as fast as you can. I know that when you come in, you can drive with your Nigerian license for a period of, in Manitoba, it's like 3 months, and I know some maybe 6 months, or it's usually around 3 to 6 months. But as much as you can, try to get your license fast, because that helps you reduce your premium. Another thing you can do is, this is like an advice. Try to check the car that you're starting with, because say if you want to start with a 2015 Corolla, it might be cheaper, it will be cheaper than getting a 2021 BMW, because these people consider the risk that they are going to be exposed to as well. What are the repairs going to cost and all that? So getting a cheap, boring car in the beginning can help you reduce the premium you'll be paying on your car insurance monthly. Fourth way to consider reducing your premiums will be doing a bundle package, Cyrene. So if you have other insurances that you're paying, it might be nice to get them to pay for everything, because then you can have discounts or reduced charges based on the fact that you're doing a bundle package. Now, another one, which is the last one I'll mention, is there's this thing that some companies do where they allow you, or they let you allow them monitor your driving. So it's like an app. When you subscribe to this, they monitor your driving, your hard braking, your speed and all that. And if you're a careful driver, you can get discounts. But if you're a rough driver, just know that this can also increase your premium. So you want to be very careful before you consider this. There's some insurance people that will tell you to get their app, and this is what they do. They monitor your driving, and that can affect how your rates are given, if it's increased or reduced. For a lot of immigrants, car insurance is one charge that is high for the month, apart from your rent, your feeding and every other thing. If you're coming from Nigeria, you don't really spend as much for your car insurance, and then you come to Canada and you're hearing $500, $600 for your car. It's not a very nice amount to hear. So if you can do this, it will help you do the things that I've talked about in this video, and I'm sure that somehow it will go down to tens of dollars or even hundreds of dollars in most cases. Thank you for watching till now. If you're here, if you've not clicked on that subscribe button, please click on it, as it will support the channel. I share my experiences here, and I hope that it will be helpful to people who are also in Canada, or immigrants generally, or people who are still going to come. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.